Hello folks, Jason Garman with the Bit9 plus Carbon Black Developer Network here. Today I'm demonstrating a powerful integration between Carbon Black and the Infoblox DNS Firewall. Carbon Black is the first and only endpoint threat detection and response platform that includes continuous endpoint recording, live response, and remediation, and delivers unparalleled security operations development capabilities, enabling best-of-breed detection and response uniquely tailored for your organization. Infoblox provides automatic protection for endpoints against advanced persistent threats and malware that use DNS as a channel for data exfiltration. Thanks to the power of open APIs, the integration of Carbon Black and Infoblox DNS Firewall enables real-time data sharing between Infoblox and Carbon Black, providing greater alert context, the ability to extend Infoblox's coverage outside the company firewall, and the ability to take remedial action on endpoints automatically. So let's dive right in and see the integration in action. Let's take a user who inadvertently clicks on a link and lands on a malicious website that claims the user's Adobe Flash Player is out of date. Before the user can accidentally download the malicious payload, the download link is immediately flagged by Infoblox DNS Firewall, based on its automated threat intelligence feed, and alert is relayed to the Carbon Black server for instant response. Once the Carbon Black server receives the notification from Infoblox, the server jumps into action, quarantining the user's system from the rest of the network. This network isolation works whether the user is sitting in his office cubicle or is halfway around the world at a coffee shop in Shanghai. Now the user's machine can only speak to the Carbon Black server. Next, it forces the endpoint to flush all of its event data to the server, ensuring that the incident responders have the latest information on how this occurred. And finally, it will terminate the program that initiated the connection, ensuring that any lingering code in that process is no longer executing on the endpoint. All of these actions happen completely autonomously and without any interaction from security or network personnel. Now let's switch over to the Carbon Black console, where the Security Operations Center just received a new alert. You can immediately see the domain flagged by Infoblox, but of course that doesn't tell the whole story about this incident. Without context, the security team is blind to how the user stumbled across this site, what actions may have been taken immediately following the visit to the blocked domain, and limits their options to proactively protect the rest of the users against these threats. The Carbon Black console shows all endpoint activity leading up to, during, and after the flagged event. Thanks to the power of Carbon Black's always-on, continuous endpoint recording technology, we can see every file modification, registry write, process spawn, and network connection made during this time frame. Furthermore, we can now take manual response measures as well. Since this attack originated in a web browser, let's get more context by retrieving the user's internet history. We can accomplish this through the live response feature in Carbon Black. Connecting to the user's machine, we can retrieve the file containing his browsing history in real time for further analysis. Thanks to the power of open APIs, Carbon Black can integrate with any of the other security appliances and products you are already using, leveraging your existing investment and enhancing it to reach beyond your traditional security perimeter. Carbon Black and Infoblox, enabling best-of-breed detection and response uniquely tailored for your organization. To learn more about Carbon Black and our partners' ecosystem, please visit bit9.com.